You ready?
I am.
Action.
Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, and the guy behind the camera as always is Jake, and behind me is a 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle Sunbug. They only made these 2 years, apparently with the color combination. As you can see, there is no engine here. There's no engine. It's okay though. That's the trunk, or the frunk. There you go. There you go, perfect. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it lovely?
I like the gold color actually.
It's a Sunbug.
Look at all the metal flake in it. Very
Some
pretty.
nice metal flake. Look, it's got a sunroof. We'll show that later. It's cool though, and hey, how about this 16 liter or 1600 cc?
16 liter.
16 liter. This has a 16 liter V12. No, it's a little flat 4-cylinder 1600 cc. And look at this. Ah, the two-tone seats. How gorgeous. It's a 4-speed.
I like the steering wheel. It's kind of cool looking, and the wood grain on the dash.
Ha, wood grain. It's the 70s. It's wonderful. Let's take it for a spin, Jake.
Sounds good.
Let's do it. And we're off.
Let's go. Oh wow. It's peppy.
In the Sunbug, and it's sunny.
It is sunny. It's actually really nice today.
It is.
There's Cody.
Hello, Cody. Hello, hello. Who doesn't love Cody? He's good people.
You know, for a tiny Beetle, I got a lot of leg room down here.
Do you?
Plenty of space.
We've got all kinds
And then you got the...
Well, pardon me, that's my dog.
You got gears, but you also have a crank sunroof.
You gotta love cranks.
Look at that. Can't be cranky with a crank sunroof.
It wants to listen. It wants to go. Oh, beautiful. Look at this beautiful fall day. Okay, Mr. Beans.
You know, the fun thing about a Beetle, which is why I love driving them, is you can absolutely just floor it everywhere you go, and you'll never go over the speed limit.
No, not with this fella.
It's just really fun to drive.
Oh, here we go. Now we're moving. We do have a lot of cars behind us, too.
Floor it.
It's on the floor. It's on the floor. You feel the beans?
Oh, there's beans, all right.
I was just discussing beans. Anywho, look at these beautiful trees. Look at this beautiful golden bug. This beautiful day.
This is a nice driving little Beetle.
It is, isn't it?
Roll your window up if you can.
Oh, I think I can. Let's try it anyway.
It's cranky.
It's a power window, as long as you have power.
Yes. You know, I'm pleasantly surprised.
I am
This
too.
is a really good driving car.
Actually,
you got
it is
this
very smooth.
sweet looking radio in here too.
And it's realistic looking.
It is realistic. And then you got some knobs down here. I don't know what they do.
Oh, I don't know if we should even mess with it.
That says air on it. I'm assuming that's your blower motor controls. You got a headlight switch over there.
We do.
And your shift pattern on the dash, just in case you forgot, because the shift pattern in a Beetle is a little different than most 4-speeds.
It is. It's a little over.
Reverse is over and back, towards you and back, but you have to push down on the shifter. That's the lockout to get it into reverse. But I mean, it's a fun little thing to drive. And it's called a Sunbug. How can that not make you happy?
It makes you happy. It makes you think of the sun.
Yeah, you have a car called the Sunbug, and it's gold.
It's gold, like Goldmember. Is that a great movie?
And it's also called the Super Beetle. And it drives awesome. Oh my goodness.
I wanted to give it some beans.
That was beans, all right.
I wanted to give it a little bit more beans than it needed.
You know, it's so small that it's a little bit quicker than I was expecting.
It's fun.
I'm sure it doesn't weigh a whole lot. Like I said, for a small car, I got plenty of room. The seat's plenty big for me. It looks plenty big for you.
It's fine. It's absolutely spectacular. It's a V-dub. You gotta love it. You have to love Volkswagen.
And we do have back seats.
Yes.
Now, for small people.
Teeny tiny.
But I mean, if you have kids, they'll fit back there.
Yes, small children. Under the age of 12.
Oh, wow.
Here we go. I'm giving it full beans. Well, listen to it.
It's just humming away.
It's a fire-breathing dragon. And it's zippy.
It is zippy.
Is that the word we're using?
It's a good way to describe it as zippy.
It's zippy. It's a zippy little car. Who's that guy?
Good old-fashioned starter time.
Darn right, under the beautiful trees.
Under the beautiful golden trees that match the rest of the bug.
You know, that does. It's the foliage. I love foliage.
The foliage?
I think that's the word.
I think it's foliage.
Holy cow, it might be, but I love it. All right, let us go, shall we? I think it's time for you to reel her in, Jake. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Good, let us go.